turnout so far. I encourage everybody, if you can, come out, meet your teachers, not just at Radcliff, any school. Meet your teacher, find out what the expectations are, and make sure you get a good night's sleep before you go to school. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello, my name is Chase Greenwell, and I'm the new assistant principal at Radcliff Elementary School. I'm excited to be here and ready to get the school year going, and I can't wait to look forward to getting the kids in the building this year.
My name is Craig Buchanan. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Radcliff Elementary. If you need to reach out and contact us for anything, give us a call at 270-352-3352. Also, if you don't know about the Family Resource Center, we offer help for basic needs, food, clothing, things like that. If you need us, just give us a call. One piece of advice for the school year is just be prepared and do your best.